So this is Smooth Reflection. And what I'm doing is I'm going in and I'm swirling and kind of stamping into the product so that I get a good amount, if you can see, onto the brush. And you'll see there's just a little bit of pink. And when I put it on my face, you're going to see a little bit of pink. It's just for decoration. We wanted it to match the packaging. It has no purpose. So when people are like, oh, what color is it? It will be no color in 3, 2, 1. So if you can see, I'm just kind of pushing it into my face. You know, it's not a soft motion. You're actually going to stamp it and smile. And then here's the thing. If you have like some textured areas, like I have this wrinkle that's right here, and then there's pores that are down there. So if you just go like that, and also up here, then that's what you want to do. Another little neat trick is you take your finger, and it doesn't feel like anything's on the finger. You're just going to feel that it's on there. You can take it and go up underneath the brow area. You can put it on the whole lid if you want, but here you can really like kind of push it. If you're using your finger rather than a brush, you can really feel, and you can see instantly how that just smoothed. So again, you're just going to take the brush, you're going to push it into the product, just stamp, and then you're going to just slowly work it into the skin. And that's it. It's really easy. There's no need to overcomplicate this. You just want to push it, and it's not going to feel like anything is there, but you can noticeably see the difference.